Hey guys, Cruiseman here out in the garage today with some important updates for you. I will be in Eastridge, Tennessee on March 28th for, I can't believe it's already been a year, maybe it hadn't been a year, Goldwings and Glizzies. I can't remember when I was out there last time for Goldwings and Glizzies. Seems like it was just a month ago. But we're doing it again at Southern Honda Powersports, Eastridge, Tennessee. Now, let me give you a little bit of inside information. Here's some advice I would give you. If you are in the market for a new motorcycle in 2026, you definitely want to be at Goldwings and Glizzies. Now, I'll be there from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday, March 28th. And like I say, if you're in the market for a new motorcycle in 2026, you're going to want to be at this event. You just have to take my word for it. Can't say any more than that right now, but it's going to be worth your time to come out. And if nothing else, you can come out and see all the brand new 2026 Hondas, especially the brand new Honda 2026 Honda Goldwings. I have not yet seen the new colors. I know Robert White saw them yesterday here locally, and he was pretty excited about what he saw. So I'm kind of looking forward to seeing these 2026 models. Also, we're going to be having a lot of door prizes. You're going to get to meet some of your favorite YouTube influencers and content creators like Mac at Gold Rider 1. If you haven't met Mac yet, you're in for a real treat. Sensei will be there from Ride Fit Nation. Of course, I'm going to be there. Robert White is going to come up from Dallas to join us. I think Slappy's going to be there from Slappy Adventures. So I'm sure there's going to be some other YouTubers there that I'm forgetting. A lot of your favorite vendors. Max from Traction Dynamics will be there. You got to come out and meet Max. So anyway, make sure you join us March 28th, Eastridge, Tennessee. Southern Honda Powersports. I'll put all the information in the description of this video. One other little piece of news about the first Sunday breakfast here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I will not be here on March 1st for the Sunday breakfast, but Robert will be there. Don Smith will be there. Don's got some exciting news for you. You know Don, he's the voice of Cruiseman's Garage. Well, Don's got some, I'm not gonna be a spoiler, but Don has got some big news for you. So come out next Sunday here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area to Awake Restaurant in Carrollton, Texas, 7 a.m. And you're gonna be pretty surprised. So, and also on the first breakfast in April, I will be here for that, or that's the plan. And we're going to do that on Saturday, first Saturday in April instead of Sunday, because the first Sunday is going to be Easter. So rather than, nobody's going to want to mess up their Easter Sunday, so we're going to do it on the first Saturday in April. So make sure you put that on your calendar as well. Hey, that's the news for now. Lots of exciting stuff coming. Riding season is right around the corner. We've been having some good weather here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We've been very lucky. We had a very short winter. At least we hope it's a short winter. We hope there's not another freeze coming. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Check all this out. I'll see you in March in Eastridge, Tennessee. March 28th, I'll see you there. So come join us. Take care. Ride often, but ride safe.